Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about a spark plug and cleaner tester. This is a big one that you can get from Aircraft Tool Supply. You can occasionally get them on scale from Aircraft Spruce. And this is what most of us use. It's the one from Harbor Freight. It's really small, but for a single airplane, it works just great. But now let's talk about the big commercial unit and all the parts.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now the spark plug cleaner tester, it can clean spark plugs. There are adapters for the 14 millimeter cars, 18 millimeter airplanes. There's a lead for testing the plugs. There's compressed air inlet on the back, but it also comes with some nice accessories when you buy the whole kit. One of the things you get is a spark plug rack. Now, there's nothing fancy about a spark plug rack. This one's set up for a 6-cylinder. You can make them out of a piece of wood and take a wood boring bit and bore some holes in a piece of wood. Just a place to hold the spark plugs while you rotate them, you clean them, and then maybe if you have to, you can get to go to paint them. But that's what a spark plug rack does. Now, you wouldn't paint in a nice blue one like that. And then you get this vibratory tool and a couple of little bits, and what they do is it goes in between the center electrode and the outer screws on the spark plug base, and it vibrates the lead loose around the spark plug without really hurting it. And you can see in some of our videos when we show cleaning that you can make quite a pile of lead deposit, yellowish grayish dust, all from out of your spark plugs. And then the next item we want to talk about is it comes with a magnifying glass, and the glass in that scope is graduated, so you can tell the gap of the spark plug ballpark by just looking at the gradation lines. You get a couple of other things in the kit. You get a spark plug socket, you get some anti-seize graphite solution for putting on the threads when you put a spark plug in. You get some brand new copper gaskets. Those are nice. You don't have to anneal the old ones. And you get a spark plug thread chaser, for both 14 and 18 millimeter plugs. And that way you can make sure that the threads that the spark plug go into are good and clean and straight. Now, this is a unit that comes with the big unit, so you can mount it on a bench or something, but they're also available from Harbor Freight. They're blue, but it's a small spark plug cleaner. You just put it on the bench, hit it with some compressed air, and it will clean that spark plug. And then you also get a spark plug gap adjustment tool as well as a measurement device for that, and that comes in handy so you make sure you know what gap you're setting on your spark plugs, as well as being able to close the gap. And believe it or not, it is not included with the kit, but there is a tool for being able to increase the gap on a spark plug. Now here's a bunch of bits. These are the adapters for both the 14 and the 18 millimeter, so you can blast either one based upon the top. You've got some medium material, and you've got a rack that you can put up on the top. And it also comes with this automatic wobbler that you can install on the system, and it will rotate the spark plug around for you so that you get a good cleaning on if you don't want to do it by hand. And this is the air inlet on the back of the unit for giving you your compressed air. And again, you want to give it about 80, 85, 120 psi, something for good cleaning. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the spark plug cleaner tester from Aircraft Tool Supply. Hope you found it all useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, here you are. The little beauties are just having fun with my socks and Aircraft spruce paper on the kitchen tile floor, and on a nice snowy day here in Ohio, so we thought we'd give you this little treat. Please enjoy their fun and shenanigans.